Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Agoda Hotel Booking. Well, today's video I'm going to teach you about the Agoda Hotel Booking. So this app is very useful if you're looking for a low budget and a very low budget on hotels, or you're finding a cheapest hotels near you. And Agoda is one of the best, and I've used this app many times, and it just gives me more of a what you call this lower price than other hotels and other apps. So yeah. So to book a hotel in Agoda, first thing you need to do is open up your Agoda. Once you're here, click on hotels on the left side corner. After clicking on hotels on the left side corner, choose a location. For example, right now we're going to choose the Townhouse o or Oak VIP Suites, and when. So we're gonna choose it. Let's say Wednesday, November 20, and Friday, November 22. Or let's change it. Change it to 23 to 25. Okay, 3 nights. Then, as you can see on the bottom, you will see how many people are coming to inform the hotel. So let's just say one person, or let's say two persons. There we go. And after that, you can also choose the rooms. So if you're booking 2 rooms or 3 rooms, but for now we're gonna book with 1 room. So okay, and then click on search. Let's see. As you can see, here is the Townhouse Oak VIP Suites, and we have only one left room that is worth 2,996 pesos. And click on that. Then see all rooms. Then there you go, Superior Deluxe. Then let's book it. Now wait for it, it's loading. There you go. As you can see, when you're here, you will now put in who is the lead guest. So when you're putting on the lead guest, you will need to put in your name because they will request for your ID. So for example, your name is KD like me. Your ID needs to be say KD and the last name, as you can see, V. So your last name should be V in your ID. So that's how the Ogata keeps their what they call this their persons, that's how they keep their apps more safe and verified. So there you go, as you can see. After that, after filling that up, you can choose special requests that should non-smoking, and I'd like one large bed. And there we go, room upgrade deals. As you can see, we have a cancel before 21 and you'll need to pay nothing. There you go. As you can see, this is the final price, 8,989 for 3 nights. There you go. See all of that correct. Check everything if it's correct. All right, I think it's correct. All goods. Then click on final step. After clicking on final step, there you go. We just need to do the payment method right now. So in payment method, as you can see right now, the payment will be made directly to the property. So the payment method we have right now is only a credit card. But sometimes, in most cases, it will have three payments method. So I'm gonna explain to you what are the three payments method. So the three payment method here is what they call this e-wallets. They have e-wallets like Gcash, PayPal, Maya, like that, and credit card. As you can see right here, credit card. They're accepting only credit card, and sometimes they're asking you to pay in cash when you have arrived in the hotel. So yeah, there you go. Once you're choosing everything, just click on book. So after clicking on the book right now, as you can see, when you click on the book, an email will be sent to you confirming of your booking. And all you need to do is go to the hotel after you paid it, then show the code, the ID or the code, to the hotel. So then your Gmail that the Agoda sent to you, and you will be done. You will now be able to enter your room in the hotel that you book in Agoda. So there we go. And small tip for you guys, before checking or booking on the any hotels that you want, check for their amenities. Somewhere right here. Click on see details. Here are all their amenities. They have bathroom, toilets, entertainment, comforts, and this. Here are all everything. And there you go. As you can see. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.